I don't think there's any other course that is this hands-on that I have done in college yet. Not even the engineering circuits labs have been as hands-on as this course, and that really made me happy, and like how I want to stick with the major.
I think once you expose it to somebody, it's just gonna be like, oh, like, yeah, you should take this, and then you're gonna have to make like 2 classes instead of 1, and it'll spread.
People tend to drop because of the hard math and physics classes, but if you could introduce them to something like this and show them what's ahead of them and how cool it actually is to work with these things.
I'm Aubrey Savage. I'm a computer engineering major, and I'm a first-year student.
Hi, I'm Peter Kulik. I'm a junior electrical engineering major.
High school science courses, it was just kind of like you are given material and you're tested on it. You're told to memorize, you're told to learn equations and everything, but this is just different. This is using a different part of your mind.
The course that I took was modified for a year-long high school course. It would definitely work very well. I know I had no experience with this kind of hardware and circuitry in high school, and that would have really, really helped me picking a major too. And I think it would get more people involved in engineering.
This was the first time I was actually like really motivated to do this. I was motivated to dedicate all of my time to this. Like I would come back after work like for 2 hours every night and work on it. It was fun for me to have to like challenge myself in a different way.
So S for science, we're dealing with computer science and writing Python. T, we have a robot here, so that's technology and programming it and dealing with electrical components of it. That's engineering. A, art. You're going to have creativity, and you have freedom in designing your algorithms to control this robot. And mathematics, in a lot of Python code, you're going to have math involved. So it covers all 5 categories of STEAM.
Well, the hard work in the beginning really set the standard. So we were expecting to have to work very hard on it because of how hard we worked on the assignments. And we dedicated a lot of time then, and then that meant we were going to have to dedicate more,
Definitely programming this micro mouse. By far, I remember many nights I was just spending in the lab coding the micro mouse, and I really enjoyed it. It was really a challenging, fun thing to work on right from the start.
Problem solving, definitely. Organization, teamwork. You see, like, it's hard to have 2 people on the same track for everything, and it's good to be like exposed to that early. I think the whole idea of the course being so early is like a great idea because it's definitely doable.
Python you're going to use in coding this mouse and in any kind of basic programs, and this could carry over to other programming languages and everything. All the basics you're going to learn in these assignments, and it's important that you actually do it, because doing it, that actually shows you know it, as opposed to just listening to a lecture.
I think like people like just think, oh, like I'm not smart enough, like I don't think I can think that way. Like people would see me doing whatever on my computer and they're like, oh, I'd never be able to do that. And like people look at like the robot videos and they're like, how, like I could never. And I'm just like, yeah, you can. Like you just have to try it. My heart literally dropped. I was so excited. From the first day of class when you told us about it, I was like, I'm going to go to SAC. Like, I need to go. Like, I was ecstatic when I saw the email.
What, did you tell your brother and your dad?
Yeah.
Because Ryan probably went to SAC.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he was like, wow, that's funny. Nobody wanted to go when I went there. But, yeah, I sent them the email. Like, I screenshot it and sent it in our group message right away.
Nice.